Boys and girls. I'm Mr. Posey, of course, and today I am going to be reading the book Pete the Cat's Groovy Imagination. Pete the Cat was happy. Today would be so much fun. Chilling out, catching vibes, sands, surfing, and lots of sun. But when Pete looked outside, he got down in the dumps sad. Dark clouds and pouring rain could make this good day turn bad. Pete didn't complain. He did not feel blue. Pete knew he could find something fun to do. Pete drew a cool picture. Pete strummed a little tune until he saw something too good to be true. Pete found a big box. He looked it up and down. He turned it side to side and he spun it all around. The box was brown and it was strong. The box was wide and tall. Maybe this wasn't just any box after all. This box rocks. The box was big and it was groovy. The box could be something new. Suddenly, Pete's imagination grew and grew and grew. Maybe it was more than a box. Maybe it was more than it seemed. Pete closed his eyes and had an out of this world dream. It was more than a box. It was a groovy rocket ship. Pete saw the moon on his outer space trip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Pete was heading home. He landed, splash, in the sea. Pete had to think fast. Now, what could this box be? The box was big and it was groovy. The box could be something new. Suddenly, Pete's imagination grew and grew and grew. The box was now a yellow submarine. Pete dived way down into the sea. Pete wore his goggles to see the underwater scene. The submarine crashed when it reached land. Now the box was lying sideways in the sand. But what's a cat to do with the box that couldn't stand? The box was big and it was groovy. The box could be something new. Suddenly, Pete's imagination grew and grew and grew. And pretty soon, the box was just not a box lying on its side. It was a cool cat race car revving for a fast, fast ride. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Pete won the race just like that. Then splat, the race car went flat. Now, what good is a box that looks like a mat? The box was big and it was groovy. The box could be something new. Suddenly, Pete's imagination grew and grew and grew. Even though a flat box was not in the plan, Pete imagined it was a stage for his jammin' rock band. Sometimes our plans just don't go right, but it doesn't mean the day can't be out of sight. If you use your imagination, you will see just how groovy your day can be. When you want to dream of something new, thinking outside the box is the grooviest thing you can do. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book, boys and girls. And remember to always think outside the box. There's more than one way to do something and more than one way to have fun. See you around. Thanks for listening.